What's the meaning of color? Color. Color.
Color. Color. Color refers to the visual properties of objects that result from the light they emit or reflect. It is an important aspect of human perception and communication, used to distinguish between different objects and express emotions or cultural meanings. Colors can be described in terms of hue, saturation, and brightness, and can have physical effects on mood and behavior. In art and design, color is often used to create visual interest and convey messages or concepts. Overall, color is a fundamental element of human experience that has widespread implications across many domains.